In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Cash App for Apple Pay. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using your Cash App card alongside Apple Pay is an extremely simple process. You will be able to manage any purchases made using Apple Pay and directly through your Cash App balance. All that you have to do is make sure that you have the latest version of Cash App and that you are approved for a Cash App card. So, open the latest version of Cash App and switch over to the Card tab, where you can see the Cash App card attributed to your account. In there, tap the three dots, usually at the corner of the card, or find more options somewhere along the screen. Immediately upon tapping these three dots or accessing more options about the card, you will be able to find the option to add the card to Apple Pay. So all that you have to do is tap Add to Apple Wallet or Add to Apple Pay, and immediately all the details about the Cash App card will be filled out on your Apple Wallet. You will now be able to choose to pay using Apple Pay, and the source of the payment is going to be the Cash App card. Alternatively, you can also manually copy all the credentials about the Cash App card, open the Wallet app on any iOS device, and tap the plus sign to add a new credit or debit card. Like I said, as long as the card is properly verified, validated through the latest version of Cash App, and your account is working verified, you will be able to have it linked to any digital wallet of your choice, including the Apple Wallet, to be used with Apple Pay. Now, like I said, when you choose to pay with Apple Pay, you simply have to select this card either in-store or online, and the payment is gonna go through, and use the balance remaining on your Cash App account. If you encounter any problems while trying to do this, make sure the Cash App is up to date and that your card is not frozen, properly validated. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Cash App for Apple Pay. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.